Hi students, you might find in your classroom that you're getting too many announcements from your old classes that you used to belong to. So now you can just go here and click on your Google Apps, click on Classroom, okay, and you're going to see the other classes you used to have. So choose the class that you don't want to be a part of anymore, and you're going to click on these three dots. So this class was last session. I don't need that anymore. I'm going to click on the three dots and I'm going to click unenroll, and that will remove me from the class. It says unenroll, you will be removed from your class, okay, but your files will still be there. So I'm going to click unenroll. And now I will just see my new class. So that is how you